Yoga Plus. Download now for free.
My name is Yiana, and in this video I will be guiding you through a short bedtime flow. It's a great way to wind down and kind of relax before a great night's rest. I invite you to go through this video a few times a week or whenever you just need some winding down or relaxation or a little de-stressor. So we're going to start in Tadasana, or mountain pose, with your feet together and your hips over your ankles, and align your spine and arms by your side. And we're going to slowly lift the arms up into an upward salute on an inhale. Urdhva Hastasana, look up at your hands. And you're going to take an inhale and exhale. And on your next exhale, slowly bend over to the right for a side stretch, lengthening the left side of your torso. Inhale, come back up to center, and on your next exhale, bend over to your left, lengthening your right side body and torso. On your inhale, come back up. Take a few deep breaths right here. And on your next exhale, you will swan dive forward into Uttanasana, your forward fold. Placing your palms on the mat or on your ankles. Slowly come up into a halfway lift, lengthening the spine, fingertips to the floor. Take a few deep breaths right here. And on your next exhale, slowly step back, right foot into a lunge, and left foot back into plank. And we're going to lower down into Chaturanga. You're welcome to bring your knees down if that makes it a little bit easier for you, and go down like this. Or if it's accessible to you, you can go down in a full plank to Chaturanga like this. And make sure that your elbows are over your wrist for proper alignment. And on your next inhale, you're going to slowly come up into upward facing dog. And hips up and back into your first downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And take 5 deep breaths here. Welcome to pedal out the feet. Warm up your hamstrings a bit. Taking long, full inhales and exhales. And if your feet don't touch, it's okay. You can also bend the knees. And on your next breath, you're going to drop down to your knees into a child's pose. And take a few deep breaths here. You're also welcome to bring your hands behind you if that's more comfortable. You're going to slowly rise back up into a tabletop position, and we will come into a few cat-cows to warm up the spine. For your cow, on your inhale, you'll drop your abdomen and move your heart forward, looking up into the ceiling, getting a nice stretch in the spine. On your exhale, round the spine, coming into cow. And bring your chin to your chest. And on your inhale, back into cow pose. And you're welcome to do some fluid movements, kind of roll the hips into a circle, and come back. And stretch your wrists forward, warm up the wrists, flip them over. And we'll do a few more cat-cows. On your inhale, arch your body forward and lift the heart. Exhale, back into cat, rounding the spine and bringing your chin to your chest. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, coming back into cat. Inhale, into cow. And exhale, back into cat. From here, we'll take a long child's pose and bring your hands together into prayer. And just take a few breaths here. Find stillness in this pose. And if any thoughts arise, acknowledge them and let them pass. Thinking without thought. And allowing a short inward meditation in this child's pose. On your next inhale, you're going to put your arms by your side and slowly lift up into Virasana or hero pose. And it can be helpful if you have a block to put it between your ankles, if your hips don't go all the way back to your heels, and kind of sit on it like this. And from here, we're going to do a twist. You're going to bring your left hand onto your right knee and your right arm behind you, and twist. And kind of just sink into this twist. Twist can be good for your digestive system, really beneficial for building abdominal muscles as well. And just take a few breaths here. And on your inhale, lift the arms up, coming back into center. And exhale to your other side. Bring your right hand to your left knee and your left hand behind you. And twist. And on an inhale, bring your arms back up. And look to the palms and slowly bring your hands back behind you. Lifting the heart. A small back bend. And kind of just let your shoulders relax. You can kind of play with moving them around. It can feel good to get that rotation. And take a few breaths here. And bringing your hands back to your knees. Lift up to remove the block if you had it in place. And from here, we'll wind down into waterfall pose or Viparita Karani. Swing your legs around so your feet can be out in front of you. You can slowly scoot up a little bit and go ahead and lay down. And it can be also comfortable to bring your legs up against the wall if you can, and the wall would be in front of your legs. And just take some deep breaths in this pose. And waterfall is great for a bedtime kind of relaxation pose. Gets you ready to settle down for the night. And just take deep breaths and sink into this pose. You're welcome to close your eyes. Stay here for a few breaths. And if this isn't comfortable for you, you can also bend the knees. And we'll be here for a few more breaths. On your next exhale, you can slowly bring your legs down one at a time and begin to settle into your Shavasana, however that looks for you. I like to kind of roll my shoulders under, separate my feet about mat width distance apart, and bringing my hands to my side. And take some deep inhales and exhales in and out of the mouth. And you're welcome to stay here for however long you like. And when you're ready to come out, you can do a full body stretch, bringing your arms overhead and pointing the toes and getting a nice stretch. You'll slowly bring your knees into your body, rolling over on to your side. And using your right hand to lift yourself up. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me, and I invite you to download the Yoga Plus app so you can continue practicing with me and sharing your practice with me. Thank you so much. Namaste.
This is day 1 of my 30-day yoga challenge. We're going to progress through some intermediate and advanced postures and just address overall wellness and stress reduction. Be proud of yourself.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.